Gusto mo bang matutunan kung paano mag-invest sa stock market na hindi mo na kailangan maging stock expert? Stay tuned, this video is for you. Did you know na maraming tao na, including me, ang nalugi sa mga investments like forex trading, individual stocks, dahil hindi nila alam ang kanilang ginagawa. Kasama na ako dyan. Kaya ngayon, I will share a simple strategy na natutunan ko para sa mga beginners or even pros. Pag-usapan natin yan. Hi, I'm Pinoy Personal Finance and welcome to my channel. My mission is to educate my fellow Filipinos about money, investing, and personal finance. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon para updated ka sa mga new videos ko. Let's get started. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang isa sa pinaka-recommended na investing strategy para sa mga beginners. Alam mo ba na meron akong naging learning curve sa investments dahil nalugi ako sa forex trading at saka individual stocks? Kaya naman, mas confident ako ngayon to share this kind of strategy for you. I tried different type of investments like forex trading, individual stocks. Every day you are checking your account. Every day you are checking the market. You are buying and selling. You are checking the company's report. Sobrang stressful. With all those effort, nalugi pa din ang investments. Hindi ko pa kasi naiintindihan ang ibig sabihin ng mga risk, ng mga strategies, at saka galaw ng market. If you're a beginner investor, you don't need to experience those kind of investments or stress. This strategy is way easier and it's way better. The index funds or ETF investing strategy is a game changer for me. And I know it will work for you as well. If you are new to investing, you might hear a lot about index funds or ETFs. Here is the simplest way to understand them. Ang index funds ay isang klase ng investment that tracks the performance of group of companies na tinatawag na market index. Instead of buying individual stocks, you are buying the whole market with just one transaction. Isang magandang halimbawa nito ay ang S&P 500, isang stock market index that tracks 500 biggest companies in the US, kabilang na ang Apple, Microsoft, Amazon at Tesla. Kapag nag-invest ka sa isang S&P 500 index fund, hindi ka lang bumili ng isang stock. Nagkakaroon ka ng fractional shares sa lahat ng mga companies na ito. Dahil dito, mas diversified ang iyong investment kaya mas mababa ang risk kumpara sa pagbili lamang ng isang stock company. Ang ETF naman or exchange traded funds are very similar to index funds because they also track the performance of a group of companies. The difference lang is that ETF like VFV can be bought and sold on the stock market just like individual stocks. This makes them more flexible and easy to trade. Isipin mo na lang na parang basket of fruits. Instead of buying one by one fruits like apple, orange, banana, you can buy the whole basket in just one fund. And you can easily buy and sell them in the market. That's why investing in ETF that tracks the index fund is so flexible and easy to use. For example, VFV is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, meaning you get exposure to 500 large US companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. XEQT is an ETF that gives you exposure to a globally diversified portfolio of stocks, including companies from the US, Canada, and beyond. Bakit beginner-friendly ang XEQT? Sa XEQT kasi, hindi mo na kailangan mag-decide kung anong individual stocks ang bibilin mo. You are instantly investing in a mix of companies in the US, Canada, and different part of the world. You can buy the XEQT in the stock market like any other stock. And it's already diversified, meaning your money is spread across companies. If hindi ka pa din sure, feel free to ask in the comment. Think of them as a basket of companies. Instead of buying stocks one by one, you are buying a whole basket of companies at once. By investing in ETF like VFV or XEQT, you are spreading your money across different types of companies. This reduces your risk relying too much in just one stock while making it simple for a beginner friendly. When you invest in index funds or ETF, you own a small portions of all the companies in just one fund. Bakit siya maganda para sa mga beginner investor? Diversification. Spread your investment across companies. Lower risk. If one company underperforms, others balance it out. Simple strategy. Even Warren Buffett recommended a low-cost index funds. Why does this strategy work? Index funds and ETF focus on the long-term market growth. Unlike individual stocks na masyado siyang risky. Historically, nakaka-recover ang index fund sa mga short-term downturn na market. It will grow over time. If you are seeing this now, this is the sign that you need to invest to index funds or ETF. If meron lang nagsabi or nakita ko tong video na to when I was still starting, hindi na sana ako nalugi and nag-double na ang capital ko. At ayan na ang mabilis na overview about index funds and ETFs. Kung may mga tanong ka, don't hesitate to comment below. Don't forget to like this video, share it sa mga kababayan natin, at mag-subscribe para sa mga lesson natin for investing. Salamat po and see you in the next one.